I hear somebody. What's up? I heard your car. It sounds nice. Damn, we have a lot of pillows. Look, you can have a sweater and a pillow. You can match with your sweater. Look at this. Dang, joggers? No exhaust law joggers? Rebellious man, you.
The 60 better, at least.
Subaru. Damn, I like. What year is it? Okay. Man, they're built so nice. My Subaru is like, if you guys know my Subaru, it makes a lot of noise. Alright guys, I'm about to tag up his dash. Where do you want me to sign?
Anywhere you want.
Anywhere?
Anywhere you want.
Make sure it's nice and clean.
Adding to the list. I'm gonna decrease the horsepower when I sign it, so.
Oh! Now I'm about to X out everyone else. Signing dashes? Look at this.
I'm just kidding.
I know, right? Just cross them out. Cross everyone out. Damn. Whoa! Damn. One last look.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. That's really cool. Look. Oh god. We're gonna hear how the car sounds. Let's get ready. RIP headphones. Sorry guys. Oh gosh. Oh, you're barely on it.
Yeah, I'm barely on it.
Oh my gosh. Damn. Fuck it. He said full send. Fuck it. That is so loud. And it died. Damn. It's so big. So she's like, look at this. Damn. Time. Thank you for coming. That's cool. You can drive stick too. That's cool.
Yeah.
Give him a little tour of the Tesla spaceship. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, hurry, hurry.
No, too slow. That thing sounds like an M4.
Hell yeah.
All right, so now I'm back in my office and I'm about to work on creating a website that will accept custom orders. And I've been talking about this for years, but finally gonna sit down and like try to get it done. So hopefully I can get it done today. If not, it'll be like an ongoing project for a few weeks. But it's cool because if you guys ever want like your car printed on your shirt or something, we can do. Damn! You guys buying ice cream? Yummy, yum. You buying ice cream too? Oh shit. Coconut in there?
Yeah.
Coconut. Coconuts. This is the one. This one or bubble gum?
I think that one.
Ah, thank you, dude. Hey, thank you, dude.
Yeah, man.
I haven't had one of these in a while.
Yeah, I had one of these, man. This is it right here.
Hold on. ASMR time. ASMR time. Oh. Bro, yo, coconut is fucking fire. Hey, you want ASMR choking on this? Oh. 1 second. Okay, so I've been sitting here for roughly 40 minutes. I got the website jdmbrand.com to accept the software that allows the customer to upload their own image. And this is an idea that I've had for as long as I can remember. It's not an original idea, but something that I wanted to do for so long for the car community, because usually it's really expensive to get your car stuff on. It's not like it's non-car specific too. This case is I got the website, I made the order myself just now, and the order popped up, and sorry guys, the order popped up on my phone. I went on my computer, I found the order, I found the image that I uploaded, and now I moved the image into the folder to get it printed. So if this works, we're in business, literally. So I'm looking at the file. Let's see if it actually printed. Okay, let's run over there really quick. Okay, John, hi.
I'm scared.
This is a really close up.
I'm scared.
Go to custom folder, and then, so you've seen this image,
Yeah.
but it hasn't been done this way. Okay, go ahead and load it onto the system. Okay, so this is a large. Rob, I think we did it.
Wait, it's weird.
So I placed the order as if I was a customer.
Okay.
Go ahead, come on, let's do it.
Wait, how did it?
So I placed the order, it went through, I moved the file over as if this was a customer, and then it's now sitting on John's computer. So John throws it on, and then now if it prints the right quality, then we did it.
Holy shit.
They don't know what we're talking about yet. So we print many things daily, but never offered it to you guys, individual sales. If it works, dude, the file works. Oh, it works. It works.
They're not ready.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's secure it.
Wow. Jeez, I felt like I
Oh.
just ripped my boxers.
You ripped your nuts. There goes your left scrotum. All right, John, let me see.
Oh, mamacita.
Dude, that's cool.
It's really good.
Oh man, that is super cool. Okay, so let me show you what the website looks like. Now we kind of work backwards here. Okay, so we're over here at the laptop. What we did was we went to jdmbrand.com. So go jdmbrand.com. From here you've got the website. Oh, ASMR. Little keyboard action there for you guys. jdmbrand.com. I've had this website forever, one of my original websites. You can either go to store and you can see custom orders, or you scroll down and you'll see custom t-shirts here. Click that and zoom in for you guys for a little bit. There we go. You get this little browser area. From here, you can customize by adding an image, dropping an image in, and you can pick pretty much anything at this point. So I had this Nipsey sticker that I drew. Take that. Oh my gosh. That's pretty badass. Okay. I'm gonna have to resize it because it's too big for the shirt area. Boom. Throw it on right about there. Transform center vertical, center horizontal. There you go. Now it's perfect. Then you do is $25 for a print as of right now is what we're charging on white only. And size, I'm a large because I'm big and voluptuous. Quantity is 1, color is white, and add a note if you want. You click add to cart, and from here it goes right into your cart and you pay like normal. On my side, the art gets transferred to me, and then that's my job to get it to you guys in the correct manner. You get it printed on a sick ass soft white shirt. Guys, we did it. This has been an idea for years that I couldn't achieve because technology, and it was really expensive at the time. Now, an average Joe like me can do this for you guys. I think this is really cool. If I can get this to you guys, hopefully as to spread the word. I think it's cool because you can put your car on there, or if you have like an Instagram or a photography page and you want to post it up, you can put your name here and your car stuff right underneath, and that's it. Okay, and then it goes to your order page and it says custom t-shirt design, large white, and then the details for me, and then that's the price, checkout, shipping and tax, and all that good stuff. Dude, as simple as that. Custom t-shirt. 25 bucks is the price of a normal t-shirt. That's so sick.
Damn, guys. So Mike was thinking about taking this because we put it out on the warehouse sale like yesterday, or actually this morning. He likes this shirt design, like he loves it, and if you know about this design. That's all I gotta say. But sadly he can't have it because you just copped it, huh?
Yep. I'm the last one.
Damn.
Right.
Hell yeah. There we go. You're taking this one too?
Fucking I guess.
Oh,
I guess.
damn.
Pressure into it.
Hell yeah.
He filmed it.
I just asked him and he said yeah.
He asked.
See, he didn't get the GTR, but he got
Oh, that is one of Jay's favorites.
this. There's the one left.
Oh,
I love you.
this has gold in it, dude.
No, really.
Yeah. Oh, wet. How does this sound? ASMR. Okay, printing a flyer for local car meet. Bam.
Sick.
Check out this one. That's cool. Look at this one. Wow. Made a custom flyer
Then
right
it
there
goes like
that
that.
matches the shirt and car. What?
Oh, let me get the flyer.
That's cool. Lady driven Mustang right here. Check it out. We got this one. And we got the shirt. I'm kind of proud of this. Just wanted to print it out so I have my first ever piece of art designed out at home at least. Hi, Aaliyah. You want to tell me what you want? Can you show? Come on, tell me. Hey, what's over there?
Chocolate and cream.
What do you want?
Chocolate and cream.
Chocolate and cream?
Yeah.
Show me where it is.
Here.
What is that?
I got
Okay, this one. This one?
it.
Okay.
Open it.
All right, what are we looking for here? Look at our perspective of the world. Look. Man, the fridge looks so huge from here. What, do you see anything?
No, I can see chocolate more.
So where do you think it is? Where is it?
Chocolate
Where?
and cream.
But where? Is it in the cabinet?
No, nothing. Mommy has it.
Mama has it. Hi.
Give me.
Give me what?
Give me chocolate and cream and cookie.
You gonna say please?
Please.
Show me where it is.
Over here.
Show me, show me. What's in there? What's inside? What's inside? Huh?
No cookie and cream.
No?
No cookie and cream.
Where do I find it?
No.
What's your name? She's just gonna ignore me today. She wants chocolate.
Here.
Okay, close your eyes. I'll find it for you.
Okay.
No, close your eyes. Turn around. Close your eyes. Okay, don't move. Don't move. Hey, keep your eyes closed, Peter. Keep your eyes closed. Okay, open my hand. Open my hand.
Chocolate.
You like it? Okay, can you say bye to the vlog now?
Love.
Say love you. Say see you later. How about fist bump? Turbo, come on. Fist bump. Boom.